All right, guys, welcome back here. We are now doing the corresponding cylinder head and the tube seals around each one of the spark plug holes on our Hummer here. And the idea is to get this clean, oil-free, and dry. I can't stress that enough. To give those gaskets a fighting chance on those surfaces, you need them clean, oil-free, and dry. So first thing we got to do is get the big stuff off of there, and we want to clean that surface up. And to do that, rather than use a paper towel, I don't want to get any of that down into the cylinder head or anything. I'm going to use some shop towels and or even some old t-shirts work real good. Again, because this is aluminum, we're going to use the razors that are plastic razors. All right. You can buy those in some packs like these. All right. They are actually really sharp. And the idea is that it's not going to damage any of this aluminum. All right. What we don't want to use, okay? Don't want to use a scraper of any kind, a carbon scraper. If you have anything that's really large or stubborn, you can use Scotch-Brite pad. All right, Scotch-Brite pad, cut it off. All right, you want to make sure that you don't get a whole bunch of this debris that comes off while you're Scotch-Briting that. You don't want to get that down into the cylinder head. But ideally, let's see what we're looking for. All right, so back here we've got an untouched gasket surface area, okay? And up here we have a cleaned gasket surface area, all right? And this staining right here is okay. If we follow that back to the dirty section, what you're going to see here is a clear strip in the center of what's dirty on the left and what's dirty on the right is a clean strip. That's where the sealing surface of the actual valve cover gasket is. All right, we want to make sure that that is all nice and clean, oil-free and dry like it is here. All right, again, brake clean and scraper, okay? And if you have any of those heavy-duty bits, all right, right up here, like I said, you can use a piece of Scotch-Brite, okay? And clean that up. And that bit of staining right there is going to be okay. It does not have to look like chrome brand new. Again, some brake clean on a fresh clean rag, and you're going to wipe that off, okay? And that surface is actually in great shape. Again, this right here, the staining is okay. We still have some carbon to go right here a little bit. Do our best not to get that down into the timing chain there. Okay, we're going to do our best with that, and some technicians may put a couple of these orange rags, shop rags, down in there and cram that down in there so we don't get anything down inside there while we go ahead and clean that area a little bit more and get those carbon pieces off of there. All right, so like right here you can see that there's a speck of carbon right there, and it's actually loose. All right. But we don't want that on there. That's going to not be clean, oil-free, and dry, and that's going to inhibit our valve cover from sealing. Now, we're going to do the exact same thing with the spark plug tubes. Like I said, those have to be clean, oil-free, and dry. They've been wiped down once. They were pretty clean to begin with, all right? But we want to go around and make sure we clean up all the other stuff that's around there, the residual oil that's on the fuel rail here, all right? We want to get that stuff off of there, okay? And we're going to clean that all up, and we'll be back with you soon.